Soarin across America. My name is Patrick, Captain Patrick. I'd like to welcome you to this special semi-quincentennial flight. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes. First, there's a handsome young devil who would like to acquaint you with some important safety information.
When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cell phones, bottles, hats, and of course, these little ones.
We'll be starting with row 3, following them row 2, and then row 1. Row 3, come on in.
Assist the tower, assist the tower.
My row 1. Okay, let's go down to the end of this row, please.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
On behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us.